In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your username on Gumroad in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then log in to your account using your email, Google account, or any login method you normally use. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Gumroad dashboard. Now go to the left sidebar and scroll down until you find the Settings option with the gear icon. Click on it. Inside Settings, open the Profile tab. This is where you can edit your username, display name, bio, profile picture, social links, brand colors, and other profile settings. To set your username, simply click inside the username field and type the username you want to use. Keep in mind that Gumroad usernames usually allow letters, numbers, dashes, underscores. Try to keep your username short, simple, memorable, and consistent with your personal brand or business name. Your username is important because it becomes part of your Gumroad profile URL and store link. For example, yourname.gumroad.com. If the username is already taken, Gumroad will ask you to choose another one. After entering your new username, click the Update Settings button to save the changes. Your Gumroad profile and store link will now use your updated username automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.